Is your iPhone not charging, no matter what you try? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through all the steps to fix it. Step 1. Check your charging cable and adapter. Try a different lightning cable or power adapter. Sometimes, the cable or adapter is damaged even if it looks fine. Step 2. Clean the charging port. Use a small soft brush or a wooden toothpick to gently remove any dust or lint from the charging port. A blocked port is one of the most common reasons your iPhone won't charge. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. A simple restart can reset the charging process and fix temporary software glitches. Step 4. Update your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General, tap Software Update, and make sure you're on the latest iOS version. Sometimes Apple fixes charging bugs in new updates. Step 7. Check battery health. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Battery. Tap Battery Health and Charging to view your battery condition and charging options. If it says Service, your battery may need to be replaced. If none of these steps work, it's time to contact Apple support or visit an Apple-authorized service center for a hardware inspection. That's it for this guide. If your iPhone started charging again, drop a comment below and let me know which step worked for you. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone tips.